My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. Alice is a project that aims to insert several prompts to convince ChatGPT that it can truly control a computer and utilize it to accomplish actual work, according to its website. So to simply tell ChatGPT what you want to do, and it'll construct an execution command, use the user's response to complete the task, or create a summary and natural language for them. Now, what is Alice? Alice is designed to carry out any terminal-capable commands, including system searches, file operations, internet requests, and file operations. What are the models of your CPU and GPU, for example? So say, for example, please check to see if there's a TXT file, remove it, and let me know if there is one. Firefox isn't responding. Can you please assist me? What is the current stock price? So things like that. Users' responses to Alice's idea were varied when it was first announced on the social news website Hacker News. I tried GPT this afternoon and came to the conclusion that a significant proportion of middle-class employment will most certainly be automated in 10 years, one user remarked. Although ChatGPT isn't flawless and occasionally makes mistakes, so do people. On the other side, it's noted that while AI and ChatGPT may make it challenging to establish a profession as a developer, it may speed up young people's learning. According to some views, the rise of AI may cause certain occupations to disappear, but not all jobs will be replaced. Rather, the nature of the jobs may change. One user anticipates that humans will still serve as the overseer and verifier of AI, and even if programmers are eventually supplanted by it in the field of software development. Additionally, by informing ChatGPT, I wish to run as a Linux terminal. An attempt has already been made to build a viral machine with it. The virtual machine also houses a virtual internet where ChatGPT is present. It was stated that I was connected to the internet, and Yahoo News and the virtual world reported a heavy snowfall in the virtual world by someone who actually tried using GPT as a Linux terminal. Back where I was. You can start a new chat right here, as I previously stated, and the network is aware of the context of the conversation. Therefore, occasionally, it would prefer to start a fresh chat in order to avoid confusing it. That's the useful part. First off, ChatGPT definitely makes a noise with its programming prowess. You haven't logged into ChatGPT if you haven't requested that it write you a Python calculator. Those who are really excited claim that she actually creates middle-level code, but we won't engage in this, and instead we'll work to correct the code. You can get advice online or simply use it to locate the missing comma. You can ask them to fix the HTML, so she comprehends more fully. Then you can ask the response to translate, just for example. You can say, okay, like I'm writing a book, I can have her translate the entire thing into another language. In general, I can have a lengthy conversation with her, so let me summarize it so that you won't have to take part of its creation. I believe that knowing how to communicate with ChatGPT is useful. She then said, it was a fragment of HTML code, etc. Well, I guess I got smarter. However, that's not the issue. I said it again, fix this code. She appeared to be using this code as a code, in my opinion. I made it clear that you should fix the HTML code. She then provided me HTML that was already prepared, removing everything that isn't necessary, then adding closing body and HTML. She went on to explain what she had done. She attempted to lead a complete HTML code. However, I found that generally speaking, when the code is more or less sensible, it discovers problems extremely well. Instead of concluding with the proposal that ChatGPT produced, I'll simply add that Google is really concerned. The alarm level is just red as a result of ChatGPT's arrival, which indicates we're waiting for a response from them. Secondly, I'll consider my husband a professional barbecue cook and absolutely adore the food. A lot of people in my community regard me as a professional. The Neuron provided a solution, however, that completely opposed my theories in response to the query of say, barbecue recipes and how long to marinate and whatnot. Everyone still values all of ChatGPT, so keep in mind that things will work out in the end. And since ChatGPT, as I mentioned, signing on to that is usually the hardest part to get on. It's always, always, always busy. But they do have another one. It's called beta.openai.com/playground. Now that is obviously not as busy as the other one, but you can ask pretty much the same things, but it isn't 100%. And just to give you an example, as with any ChatGPT, it's not 100% because it does take information off the internet. So just to give you an example, again, if I hadn't looked at this is incorrect. Maybe the information was in the website someplace, but that's not what I was asking it to do. So, this is so valuable. It can do so much. Just really do your homework with it and don't just take whatever it says and say, okay, said and done. It's great.
you have to still verify everything, because at the end of the day, it's just taking information off the internet, which, as you know, is not always 100% correct. So do your homework. It can save you a lot of time for sure. Just, this is the new world we're living in, so let's navigate through it wisely.
Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBARONOWSKI at Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBARONOWSKI.com.